Okay guys, welcome to another tutorial on Canvas, and we're going to continue with this basic animation. Okay, so if we have our basic file here, we've done that. We have our loop.js, and in here I'm making a common layer of else. I'm making a loop, and I want to loop through this less than 50 times because it says less than not equal to. So every time it goes through this, it will increment, right? Now for the x and y, for here we usually put in a dimension, but if we did that, we'd have all our circles on top of each other, so you'd never see them. So to get away from that, we put two variables in. We go map.random, and we want them random over the whole window inner width and over the whole window inner height. So I've given the variables in here. So this should do it. I've given the stroke style of red, and then I'm going to call stroke. Okay. Let's make sure to save that, and if I run, it's just a Firefox. I'm expecting a window with loads of circles. I think I changed my background to yellow. Yeah, I did to see it better. There you go. There you go. And you see it better. Now, another thing you can do is that get a surface, but I go in here and still divide it. So I'm going to go for an arc instead. And just to show you that we can achieve our arc, we refresh our page. We show no circle, but we have arcs. See? There they are. They're all randomly spaced. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.